In this video, I'm going to show you how to create thumbnails like Kurzgesagt using Pikzels AI. Let's get started. First, log into your Pikzels AI account and go to the dashboard. Before generating a thumbnail, click on the Styles option because this is the key to matching that animated Kurzgesagt look. Then click Create Style and choose YouTube channel or Upload Images. You can train Pikzels using several Kurzgesagt thumbnails, or even combine them with other similar infographic thumbnails for a custom visual style. After selecting at least 3 images, click Generate and let Pikzels train the style. Once your style is ready, select it and go back to New Chat. Now type a thumbnail prompt that fits the Kurzgesagt theme, like an illustrated scene, bright colors, bold title text, and a clean infographic layout. You can also click Enhance Prompt for a better AI description, then hit Generate. Pikzels will create a thumbnail based on that trained style. If you want another version, click Redo. If you want to add or remove something, click Edit, select the area, type your changes, and generate again. Keep refining until it matches the polished infographic feel. Then download your final thumbnail. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link go.pikzels.com/dine in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.